Hey, hon, what's the kids doing? I don't know. They're probably playing teacher again. Uh, uh, hon, are you okay? Yeah. I'm gonna check on the kids. What are you guys doing? Eating? Can't you say? Don't be smart. Don't you want me to be smart and get my education? Whatever. Gotta go upstairs. What are you doing? Makeup? Yeah. For what? You're not going anywhere. Yes, I am. Ow! I am going somewhere. And where do you think you're going? I'm going to my friend's house. Sleepover. Ow. Why do I keep falling? I'm having a sleepover at my friend's house. Oh, okay. Don't come home too late. Today's Taco Tuesday. You know that. Yes. Hey, what are you kids doing? Oh, we're playing teacher, Mom. Oh, that's great. And I'm the teacher. Ow! Ow! Mom, why do all of us keep falling? Well, I don't know. Ask me that. Don't ask me that. We need to get a new home. Yeah, this house is shaky. Oh no. Ow! Ow. You know what? I give up. I'm just gonna stay downstairs. Ow. Right. Oh my god. I'm just gonna lay down. Leave me alone. Yeah, we're just playing teacher, Moms. Don't worry. And there's a fly. Honey, they're just playing teacher and that. Okay. Let me go get cooking. It's okay, Mom. I'll cook today. You sure? It's tacos. You know how to make tacos? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. I really want to help out in the kitchen. Okay, go ahead. What is the kitchen? Oh. The kitchen's out here. Mom! What? Brother is not sharing. Oh, yes I am. So, hon, I'm thinking about getting a new couch. A new couch? Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at this couch. It looks okay. It's really big too. And plus, we need a new home. This house is shaky. Girls, we're getting a new couch. Cool. Excited? Look at it. It's huge, right? Oh, wow. Mom, there's mail outside. I don't know what for. Did you order something? Yes, I did. Okay, well, it's outside. Outside. Everybody get ready for outside. Here's your couch. Where would you like me to put it? Put it over there if you like. Is that good? Yeah, perfect. Wow, look at this couch. It's like room for the whole family. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Oh my gosh. That thing is heavy. So heavy. I can't believe it. Oh. Guys, come check out our new couch. Cool. We can call this the family couch. Oh, cool. really fits the whole family.
Wow, this couch is awesome. Right, sis? Yeah. Hey, Caroline. Huh? Nice couch, huh?